Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Apple unveils installment-based annual subscriptions for App Store. Apple has introduced a new subscription model that allows developers to offer annual plans paid in monthly installments. This 12-month commitment option gives users access to discounted yearly rates without a large upfront cost. While users can cancel at any time to prevent auto-renewal, they remain responsible for completing all payments for the initial year. Launching globally in May 2026, the feature excludes the US and Singapore initially. It aims to boost developer revenue while making premium services more affordable. Uber expands into travel and AI with Super App. Ambitions. Uber is transforming its platform into a super app by launching a hotel booking service through a partnership with Expedia. Users can now access over 700,000 properties globally directly within the app. Additionally, Uber introduced an AI-powered voice booking chatbot powered by OpenAI models, allowing for conversational ride scheduling. These updates, which include vacation rentals via VRBO and specialized food delivery to hotels, aim to create a comprehensive travel ecosystem that competes directly with major industry leaders. YouTube tests AI-powered search with guided answers and video results. YouTube is experimenting with a new AI-enhanced search feature designed to provide users with direct conversational answers alongside traditional video results. This update aims to simplify complex queries by offering guided explanations that help viewers find specific information without skimming through long clips. By leveraging advanced generative AI, the platform can summarize key concepts and suggest relevant timestamps for deeper dives. This move represents a significant step in YouTube's transition from a video repository to a more interactive, intelligent knowledge hub for global users. Anthropic transforms Claude into an active creative partner. Anthropic has officially integrated its Claude AI assistant into professional creative workflows with a new set of connectors for industry-standard platforms announced on April 28, 2026. These tools allow Claude to work directly inside software like Adobe Creative Cloud, Autodesk Fusion, and Blender. Users can now execute complex tasks such as 3D modeling, scene debugging, and batch photo editing using simple natural language prompts. This strategic shift aims to streamline production, reduce repetitive manual work, and empower creators to manage large-scale projects with greater ease. Amazon debuts Join the Chat for voice-based AI shopping assistants. Amazon has launched Join the Chat, an AI-powered tool designed to mimic the experience of talking to an in-store assistant. Part of the Hear the Highlights suite, this feature provides real-time audio answers to product queries, reducing the need to scroll through lengthy reviews or descriptions. Users can ask specific questions about functionality or comfort and receive concise spoken responses based on product data and feedback. The interactive system allows for follow-up questions, creating a personalized, hands-free shopping experience within the Amazon app.
Ixigo launches native ChatGPT travel apps for seamless trip planning. Ixigo has introduced native travel applications on the ChatGPT store, enabling users to plan and book flights, trains, buses, and hotels through conversational AI. These specialized tools allow for real-time information retrieval, price comparisons, and personalized travel itineraries within the ChatGPT interface. By integrating its deep travel data with generative AI, Ixigo simplifies the booking journey, allowing travelers to transition from planning to transaction effortlessly. This move marks a significant step in making travel logistics more intuitive and user-centric.
Today's AI tool is Krea, a versatile AI creative suite for high-speed innovation. Krea is an all-in-one AI platform offering image and video generation, 3D modeling, and industry-leading 22K upscaling. Its standout feature is a real-time canvas with sub-50 ms latency, providing instant visual feedback as users type or edit. While it consolidates over 64 models like Flux and Runway into one interface, users face challenges with server reliability and a lack of gallery organization. Despite inconsistent human rendering and lip-sync lag, Krea remains a powerful, high-resolution toolkit for professionals seeking rapid creative iteration. Our lead story is about OnePlus Pad 4 launch. Flagship specs and pricing revealed OnePlus has officially launched the Pad 4 in India, featuring the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The tablet sports a massive 13.2-inch 3.4K display with a 100Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision. It is powered by a record-breaking 30,380 mAh battery supporting 80 WW Super Avogate charging. Key features include 8 high-fidelity speakers, Oxygen OS 16, and compatibility with the OnePlus Stylo Pro. Available in June Glow and Sage Mist, the Pad 4 starts at 354,999. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.